Today we are going to learn about digestion in ruminants. In our previous sessions, we have learned about the digestive system in frog, hydra, mosquitoes, spiders. Then we learned about human digestive system. So today I will be discussing with you digestion in ruminants. Now what do we mean by this term ruminants? Ruminants are the animals that depend upon plants. Not all herbivores are ruminant, first of all, but these animals, they have a habit of chewing the food two times. That is, once they have eaten the food, then again they will bring back the food in their mouth and they again start chewing it. This is a common thing which you must have observed in cows, buffaloes, when they are sitting idle. We have not given them any food, still they are chewing something in their mouth. So from where did they get the food? This I will be explaining you how this process of digestion occurs in these animals. So ruminants are the animals, or they are the mammals that can digest cellulose from the plants. Now what is the cellulose? Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate which is present in the plants. This form of carbohydrate cannot be digested by human beings. So if we are eating the fibers, if we are eating the vegetables, so this cellulose part of the vegetable cannot be digested by human beings because we don't have the enzyme to digest it. Ruminants, they have a special enzyme called as cellulase in their stomach, which is responsible for digestion of this carbohydrate. That is why we human beings, we cannot survive completely on green plants. Or if I say a person is getting only green leafy vegetables, so will he able to survive in a healthy way? No, he requires other nutrients and energy giving foods for a healthy life. These animals, when they eat the food, they eat it at a fast speed. They don't chew the food thoroughly. They eat the whole food, and whenever they are sitting idle, they will take out that food to their mouth, and this partially digested food, which was stored once in the stomach, now it is coming back to their mouth. So it is partly digested. This food is called as cud. This food returns from the first stomach of the ruminants to the mouth for thorough chewing of the food. Now I have told you first stomach. That means they are having more than one stomach. Yes, ruminants, they have different chambers of stomach. They have four chambered stomach. Here, cellulose is the substance that makes up most of the plant's cell walls. It is the primary building material of plants. It is the primary structural material of plants. These animals, they have an enzyme called as cellulase which helps in cellulose digestion. So I was talking about the different chambers of stomach. Animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, they have four chambered stomach, and these all the four chambers, they have different functions. First chamber is called the rumen. When the animal chew the food at a fast rate, the food gets collected there in the rumen. Now rumen is a place where the smaller particles will be allowed to go to the second chamber, but the bigger ones, they will not be allowed to move. They will once again go to the mouth of the animal. There the food will be chewed thoroughly. Then again it will come to the second chamber, that is called as reticulum. Cellulose digestion starts itself from the rumen with the help of the enzyme cellulase. There are special bacteria that live there which secrete this enzyme. Then the food will enter to the third chamber, that is omasum, where water and absorption of minerals is going to occur. From there, the food is transferred to the fourth chamber, which is also called as the true stomach of ruminants. This fourth chamber is abomasum. In abomasum, the enzymes are secreted, so the food is getting digested there. From there, the digested food is passed on to the small intestine, where absorption of the nutrients will occur. From there, the food will be passed to large intestine and the waste products will be excreted out. So here also in ruminants, all those 5 steps which I have told you earlier, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion are going to occur in the same way. But they have 4 chambered stomachs and each chamber has a specific function. So today we have learned what are ruminants and what is the process of rumination. What is rumination? Rumination is the process when the animal, it brings back its food to the mouth and chew it again. Now you can see here in the slide the diagram of a digestive system of a cow. Once the cow has eaten the grass, this chewed food will be taken to first chamber rumen through esophagus. In rumen, the cellulose digestion will start, but again the food is going to be given to the mouth for thorough chewing of the food. From there, the food will go to the second chamber, that is reticulum. Next will be omesum, where the water and minerals will be absorbed. Next, last chamber, the abomesum, the true stomach, where enzymes will be secreted and food will be digested. In the next step, the absorption of the food will take place in the small intestine, and then the food will be passed through large intestine and the waste products will be excreted out of the body. Thank you.